am Santosh. My project topic is cooperative and active sensing for scalar field map using wireless sensor network. So those are main object. So main object is the cooperative and active sensing for scalar field map using the real-time feedback and improve the sensing the quality. So sensing the quality and sensing the quality for the sensor taken places. The result of the localization information, the information sensing performance to field can be taken. So these are the existing system. So existing system is only one algorithm used. So gradient descent algorithm, this algorithm used to only optimal coverages. So propose a system using to the two algorithm. So two algorithm, these are sensing active sensing algorithm, then cooperative and active sensing algorithm, sensor fusion algorithm. These are two algorithm. So two algorithm, gradient descent algorithm. So algorithm working the start and extending the path and the path, so find the estimation nodes. So end. So active sensing algorithm, so start calculate the path, so calculate the better path, each most of the nodes find the better path, so get the optimal coverages nodes. Then system requirements, so architecture diagram. So first one, cooperative and active sensing, route manager, route maintenance and route discovery, route managers and sensing information, route manager, localization and scalar field map and the data unit. These are modules. So sensing performance, active sensing, cooperative sensing, performance, scalar field map. So sensing performance, so sensing performance is to information with a better path and better nodes. So you take using the sensing informations. So these are the sensing the nodes. So cooperative sensing, so environment coverages and sensor fusion algorithm used to optimal coverages develops. So these are the sensing performance nodes. So active sensing, for the mapping and areas and coverages for the places used to distributed sensor algorithm. So sensor fusion, so sensor fusion algorithm used to do valuable updates and the scalar field map update, so movement of the mobile sensor network. So scalar field map used to do movement of the sensor and the spatial and the temporal used to manufacturing the tracker, network tracker. So these are the identification nodes. So these are the mapping the sensor. So use case diagram, passing the signal, so mobile tracker sensing the signals, sensor calculate the distance, so distance informations, and then last then base station connected to the OTM2. So active sensing, the mobile for the sensing algorithm, so used due to the multiple conflict they using. So these are the running the project. So 100 nodes the searching and only one based one 100 nodes the searching. These are the 100 nodes is searching for the select the better path and the specification. So used to conclusion, the better path used to the optimal coverages for the movement of the sensor taken the update the places and then better path and better nodes. So these are the my project. So thank you.